Hey everyone, welcome back to the Distinct Mastering YouTube channel. It's Freddie again from Distinct Mastering NOS Recordings, also known as Fresco Bar. Today we're going to be testing out Hornet's professional online mastering service for the very first time. They were kind enough to hit me up and reach out and have been chatting with me about some plugins, and this one kind of piqued my interest. I'm using Hornet's professional online mastering service, which is using AI. There's a lot of these out there, including Lander, eMastered, BandLab, and more, and this is just another one. I haven't done any AI videos on my channel in a while. We're going to briefly discuss some of the other online mastering tools that are out there, and we're going to do a comparison of my new track with my master that I just did this week, as well as the Hornet master, and it's going to be coming out on NOS Recordings this month, and it's called Take Our Time. We'll go through the process of running through the Hornet online mastering service, and I'll A/B my master from this week to its master. This is going to be totally unscripted and an honest, unsponsored reaction from me about the Hornet online mastering service. Let's go. Just real quick on NOS Recordings this month, we have Take Our Time, which I just mastered this week. It's Eric Diaz and my alias Fresco Bar. You can pre-save it in the link down below in the description. I'll give you a sneak peek of the final mix, and then you can hear the final master as well. And then we're going to compare the online mastering service. Let's chat real quick about how I master. For me, I master here in this studio. Although I have two studios that I work out of, I have a home studio, but I always do mastering here. It's a very tuned environment. It's a beautiful room. I'm fortunate to be able to master on some analog hardware, but one thing to note is I focus on trying to get my music productions to sound master ready, playable out of the Ableton before I even go to Pro Tools for mastering. That being said, I did recently do a mastering video on the T-Rax 6 Max software, which is a DIY mastering suite all in the box, and it's pretty good. If you want to check that out, I'll leave you a link to that down below. One last thing to note, a long time ago, I did a video on AI mastering, is it worth it? And I did another video on AI versus human mastering. And one of my friends was using Lander at the time, and I made these videos because he sent me the Lander master, and then I did a master, and mine blew the Landers out of the water. Mind you, this was quite some time ago. It's been many years since those videos came out, and we ran that test, so AI could be a lot better. Let's put the Hornet online mastering service to the test. Okay, before we get into any mastering, I have the raw mix, final mix here without any limiter, so the volume is about hitting -6. Let's play this for you so you can hear what it sounds like. Also, please note that the volume here is coming out of my patch bay and going into a video recorder, so that is not the exact volume. Okay, here's the website, and it just says professional online audio mastering, just $3.99 per track, which is pretty scary because for someone like me who does mastering, this is something that can put mastering engineers like myself out of business. Transform your tracks with our professional online audio mastering system featuring 4 adaptive mastering styles: vintage, analog warmth from the 70s and 80s, modern analog contemporary character, modern digital crystal precision, and contemporary extreme, maximum loudness for streaming. That's most likely going to be the one we're probably going to have to use for dance music. Unlike static presets, each online mastering style intelligently analyzes your audio and automatically adjusts compression, EQ, and processing parameters to perfectly complement your track's unique characteristics while maintaining its signature sonic approach. Okay, that is one thing I do know that can be a problem with these online mastering services is you kind of just get like presets. So let's see what this one does. Additionally, you can listen to free previews of each online audio mastering style with automatic loudness compensation for perfect comparisons. That's cool. Furthermore, our system allows you to analyze your files with professional audio statistics, LUFS, true peak, and download the complete master in minutes. Moreover, it supports WAV files up to 100 megabytes with intelligent adaptive processing and recording studio quality. Only $3.99 per track, professional audio mastering has never been this accessible. Let's put it to the test. We're going to hit start now. We can just drag our file in. I am recording this before Black Friday. By the time this actually airs, it will be after, so apologies on the bar at the top. Choose your mastering style. So it looks like it's generating previews for each one and giving me some statistics here. I was actually going to dump this into Pro Tools and do a comparison, but it looks like you can literally compare them right here, which is pretty cool. Okay, just for comparison, let's play the original final mix. And then my final master. All right, let's go ahead and listen to the vintage. Modern analog. Okay, this modern digital one sounds like it's clipping. Contemporary extreme sounds like it's clipping too. Let's see when it drops. Okay, so obviously vintage and modern analog worked. They didn't clip. These, for some reason, are clipping. My file is true peak at -5.9. There's plenty of headroom. I mix and produce with a full spectrum in mind. I have pretty much mastered material. If I drop the ceiling of a limiter 6 dB, my track is slamming hot out of Ableton. So I can almost get away with no mastering. I just like to run my stuff through hardware. And that has become a thing from years of practicing and experience with production. I wasn't always that good, trust me, and so mastering can really help some tracks. But in this case, it's definitely not helping on the digital and the contemporary extreme. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on this loudness compensation and listen to these. So it's turning it down -11.1. We're on modern analog. So what's going on here? It seems like the master versions are getting a little hazy, a little bit, I don't know the term I'm looking for, but some of the information is getting lost. But I mean, for $3.99, these two don't sound bad. I do wish I could listen at the drop or select my preview point. That's one thing. I don't want to listen at the breakdown because I need to listen when things are hitting at maximum volume. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and purchase this. They gave me a code for 10 masters. We're going to go ahead and purchase this monitored analog one. This one sounded the best to me in this room. And I'm going to drop them all into Pro Tools and compare it with my master. Please note that my master is going to be pretty hot, so I do need to gain it down or hitting the video recorder over here. So you're not going to hear the actual true master. If you do want to hear that, please hit the link down below in the description. The track will be available on December 14th. You can pre-save it now, and because this video is going to come out prior to the track being released, I'll drop a private SoundCloud link so you guys can listen to the track before it comes out. So this is what the checkout screen looks like. I'm going to drop in the code and check out here. So I just purchased it and it's now processing the mastering. and it looks like it shows you the steps that it's on. There's 12, it's on step 12 of 18 steps. This process typically takes 1 to 2 minutes depending on file size and complexity. Final clipper. That could be destroying the mastering on those digital ones. I've been considering doing a video on clippers because it can hurt your sound and it can make that cloudiness that you're hearing. If you're interested in that, drop me a comment down below. Okay, we just saved this in our folder, so let's drag all these into Pro Tools and let's do a little comparison here. So I'm going to line up my master in the final mix. I am going to turn this down 6 dB just because I need some headroom for the video recorder here. 6.6, so they're exactly the same. Mine has a little bit more brightness. It sounds a little fatter and warmer. Take our time, we can make it work. It does have a little bit of that hazy character that I'm talking about. It's most likely from the clipper. Mine does sound a lot crisper and cleaner. We can make it work. Theirs sounds a lot hazier and just a little bit more digital, probably from the clipper. And that can cause, you lose your transients. Transients are important to me in dance music. But overall, theirs sounds really good. Let's go right here and play this. This is going to be their master, Hornet. And now let's play mine. Yeah, so not as much bass, more mid-range. So there you have it. It's great service for $3.99. I'm gonna have to admit that. But it did lack some of the low end that I like. It still had more mid-range, and I like my tracks to sound a little bit more like a smiley face, whereas I feel like it took the artistic mix and kind of turned it more into an opposite smile. Overall though, for $3.99, it's gonna probably put mastering engineers like myself out of business. If you're considering online mastering, it's probably wise to compare some services that work best for your music. Obviously, the digital versions of the Hornet did not work for me. And if you want to hear the final version of Take Our Time, remember I left a private link for you down in the SoundCloud so you could hear it at full volume. If you're unsure of what I mean, I have to come out of my patch bay and go into a video recorder, which just doesn't have as much headroom as my UAD system. And it can get a little distorted if I leave things at full mastered volume. So I actually have to gain that down. I had to turn these down in the DAW just to compensate for that. I will turn it back up in the video editing software just a little bit so you can get an idea, but they are level matched, so you're still listening to a true comparison. If you guys have tried any other online mastering services, I'd love to hear your comments down below in the comments section. Let me know how good they are. And if you're new to the channel and you found this helpful, please consider subscribing. Bell notification will keep you up to date. If you'd like to support me in making these videos, I have a supporter membership tier in my membership area. Please go check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, I'll catch you guys in the comments. Peace. Take our time, we can make it work. Take our time, we can make it work.